guys? So I'm First Class V here, back with another GCSS-Army helpful video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so today we're continuing part 2 of our series on the AIT My Workplace. Today's video, we're going over the post goods issue. Okay, so post goods issue. So currently, as an ERP or a maintenance manager, you have two ways you can actually PGR your parts. Either VL06I or you can go through AIT My Workplace. Now that's entirely up to you. It all depends on the method you want to use. All right, so this is a very simple process to do in My Workplace. So let's get started. Let me share my screen here. All right, so we're currently in My Workplace. Okay, so as I told you before, if you have multiple SLOCs, you just go up, click on your name, and you're able to actually load your SLOCs right here. So today we're working on goods receipt, right, PGR. So if you do know the DoD document number off, the MRO or something, you can actually place it here, or you can just hit search and it's going to pull up everything that you have using PGR. So if you notice, you have your doc number, your delivery number, your material description, the quantity, and of course the batch and where it's coming from, plant 2001. So this list will actually mirror your VL06I inside of WinGUI. All right. So to do this process is pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to click, and this screen will pop up. So it's going to give you your document number, the 18 number, plant, what SLOC it's going to, the vendor. And then here's just the item, the material, description, quantity, batch, and if there's a serial number, the serial number would be here. So all you're going to do to post these is you're going to hit post. And it's going to say post good receipt for delivery this. And you post it, and it's going to actually knock it off of your list for you. All right, so like I said, that's pretty simple. This is a very easy process to do. Let's do another one just to show you. Headlight, post. Now make sure you have these parts in front of you so you know that you are getting the proper quantities and the correct batch and so forth. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, this is part 2 of our series on AIT My Workplace. Stay tuned for further videos, and as always, go Ordnance.